Hello guys, welcome to Filament tutorial. Today we will discuss about table widget. So come to the Filament documentation and go to the widget section. In the widget section, in the side panel, you can see here table widgets. Click on that. You have to go to here in the Filament documentation and you will find the command how to add table widget. So let's copy this command and let's add user widget in our Filament project. So simply paste the command here and we will add the widget for new users in our panel. So write down new users, simply hit enter and enter. So that will create the file in the widgets folder. You can see here new users file is created. So for that we have to write the query. So we will add the query for the user resource. So simply add the user resource, get eloquent query. Now we have to add pagination for the eloquent query. So add default pagination page option. We will show the file record on the dashboard. So let's add file. Next we need to add sorting order. We have to show the new users. So let's add default sorting, in which we will sort by created at columns in descending order. And now we have to add the columns to show. So simply come to the resources, go to user resources, and you can see here the columns are listed here. We will simply copy this column and paste it in the columns section. Okay, now let's go to our panel and see what happens. Simply log into admin. Okay, we have some error here. Created at. Okay, you can see here the table widget is added here, but we need in the full length. So we have to add call span variable. So simply add protected integer or string or array. It is variable types column span is equal to full. We will make it full. Now come to the admin panel and refresh it. You can see this length is now in full. So that's it for the table widget in Filament. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe my channel if you are getting value from my video. Thank you very much. Bye.